I'm already receipt of the warrant of arrest issued against me by the 5th Division of the Philippines. Nais ko lang pong bigyan din ang mga bagay nito. I will remain firmly with the majority bloc under the leadership of Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano. Hindi ako matitinag sa anumang pagigipit, nanakot, political maneuvering para talikuran ang aking paninigin. I will not yield to threats. I will not be intimidated. I will not be pressured into surrendering my independence of judgment. I am giving instructions to the Senate Secretary to put on hold my salary. Personal kong pasya ito upang ipakita sa sambayan ng Pilipino na wala akong intensyon na makinabang sa